Hi kids! Oh wow! 1, 2, 3, 4 fruits. This is orange. Do you like to eat orange, kids? Wow, an apple! Red color. This is our second fruit, and our third fruit is watermelon. Inside it is red. Our third fruit is lemon. This is yellow color. Let's cut them. We need a cutting board and a knife. Apple. Watermelon. Lemon. Now we will learn alphabets. Wow, color pens! So many colors. Let's learn the colors. Our first color is yellow. Second color is purple. Third color is red. Fourth color is blue. Fifth color is orange. Sixth color is green. Seventh color is pink. Eighth color is sky blue. And our last color, ninth color is light green. What is your favorite color? Our first color is sky blue. S for strawberry. S for also sparrow. Next color is pink. T for tomato. T for also tiger. Light green. U for uniform. U for also university. Orange color. V for violin. V for also van. Purple color. W for watermelon. W for also waterfall. Our next color is my favorite color, red color. X for X-ray. X for also xylophone. Blue color. Y for yogurt. Y for also yummy. Our last color is yellow. Z for zebra. Z for also zoo. Now say with me, kids. S-T-U V-W-X-Y-Z. Bye bye, kids. Keep learning and also subscribe to my channel.